Welcome to the 12 Days of Business, which are going to look at the Promotion and Finance for Enterprise Level 2 course. Over the next 12 days, I'm going to give you one question a day, which you can test your knowledge and develop your knowledge on the topics that are being covered. So day one, let's kick it off. Question one, state the name of the financial document that is used to check materials when they arrive from the suppliers. That's part A. And then part B is you need to complete the diagram by drawing the arrows to match the financial document to its purpose. And you can see one answer has been done for you already. Pause the video and do that, and then unpause to check your answers. So for part A, you should have got the delivery note is the document that's used to check off what items arrive from the supplier. And then if we work our way down the financial documents, you would have worked out that obviously the example was a credit note, which went to correcting errors. So remember, the credit note is always sent to the customer if they've made a mistake. For example, they're going to give them some money back. The purchase order would be the order that the customer places. So you can see that it says identifying which orders have been placed. Then you've got the receipt, which obviously confirms that you paid. So you only get a receipt when you paid. And remember, the statement of account lists all the orders and payments that you've made. If you got all those correct, well done, and you would have got yourself 4 marks on the first day of business. B gave to me 4 marks. Well done. Keep buzzing. See you all tomorrow.